Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make instant tomato rice in South Indian style for lunch box at your home. So for this recipe, what you need here I took 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urud dal, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. If your tomato is tangy, don't add the amchur powder. You can skip this one, and 2 green chilies, and here I chopped 3 to 4 tomatoes, and I have some cooked rice. So let's start the recipe. So take a kadai or any non-stick pan. In this I'm going to add oil. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. So when the oil is hot, we have to add these things. The first thing I'm adding is the mustard seeds. So when the mustard seeds is started spreading, we have to add the chana dal. In this, I'm going to add some chana dal, some urud dal, 2 green chilies, and the hing powder. So I added the hing powder. In this, I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. So after adding the tomatoes, we have to cook this one for 1 to 2 minutes. So in all the South Indian food, this is the must, guys. So this is the curry leaves. I'm adding this curry leaves. So after 2 minutes, it's time to add the turmeric powder, some amchur powder, and salt up to your taste. So I added the salt as per taste, and for all the rice varieties that we are making, please prepare the rice 1 day before. So I used the basmati rice and I cooked it yesterday night itself, and I'm going to add this rice into that tomato paste. So when this paste becomes cool down, we have to add the rice. So I added the rice and I'm going to mix this one with the tomato paste. So my rice is perfectly done, guys, and I'm going to put this one in the lunch box. So I put it in the lunch box. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make instant tomato rice under 5 minutes, and very healthy recipe also. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.